As we reflect on the August 12th white supremacist rally in Washington, D.C., it's abundantly clear that Donald Trump is a very, very unfit president. One of the things that I specialize in is looking at the relationship between leaders and followers. And one aspect of social psychology is something called the toxic triangle. And the toxic triangle consists of three components, and those components are destructive leaders, susceptible followers, and conducive environments. When those three converge, it can create followers who are willing to follow authoritarian leaders like Donald Trump. So when you have the leader of your country doing and saying things and encouraging violence, that completely opens up the floodgates for violent behaviors, violent actions.
But you also had people that were very fine people on both sides.
The evidence of what I speak shows in the statistical information on the spike in hate crimes and the growth in new hate groups. So it creates a wave of hate that will steadily grow until it is met head-on and dissipated. Because Donald Trump emboldens and empowers the very worst of racist behaviors, he is a danger as president.